This is the ladybug milk collector. This is a passive milk collector that sits inside the bra to collect milk that leaks while you're breastfeeding. So how you use this one is it has a hole in the back. You can put your breast inside, and when you have the vent up, this passively collects milk while you're feeding the baby on the other side, or maybe you're out and about and you want to just put one in your bra because you're leaking, so this can collect that milk. If you do close this top and then you push it on, it will generate more suction than when you have it open. So this can pull off more milk than you would just leak if you have it open. Now this has lots of different uses. If you are leaking a lot, you can leave this open and just passively collect that milk. You can then pour that out and store it. It can become part of your milk stash. Or you could feed this back to baby if you're concerned at all about baby not getting enough from the breast. Now you do want to be careful not to feed the ladybug over feeding the baby. So I do caution against using too much suction, as this can create an oversupply of milk for some. So if you're concerned that you're going to be feeding the ladybug instead of feeding the baby, breastfeed on one side. And when you move baby to the other side, then tuck this in and suction on to pull off that extra milk, which could then be fed back to baby. Now you know. Amazon Prime Day is coming up. Get yours for 20% off.